Okay, guys. Happy Monday evening. This is my third time to try to go live with you this evening. I'm in my same spot, but I've got horrible Wi-Fi reception for some reason. So if you are on here, say hey to me. Say hey. It's Monday night, March 19th, and I said I'd be live at 8, but I couldn't. I didn't have any service. So look, I do now. Diana and Lexi are here. Hi, Nancy. Okay, I'm sorry for the delay, guys. I tried to go live at 8. I had no reception. So welcome. My name is Dionne Woods. I'm with the Turquoise Iris, where you can find my hand-painted furniture and art. I also sell tutorials. I have online classes, in-person classes, all that you can find on the turquoiseiris.com. So yay! Thanks for being here, guys. I'm so glad y'all are joining me. This was my third time. I guess, as usual, it's a charm. It's a charm. We're going to add some top coat. Let's turn this around so you guys can read what I'm doing. Hi, Annette. Okay, let me flip this around because I have several things I want to show you and you won't be able to read it. Oh, there we go. Can you read my hat? Can you read my hat? Okay, good. Beach and Barn. Okay, hi, Brianna. Hi, Cindy. Hi, Michelle. Okay, so I'm going to be working with Big Top after show. It's a top coat. Look. And it's my favorite top coat that's offered by DIY. It's pretty awesome because it's solvent free and it's no VOC and it's water based and it's for interior surfaces. It's apply 1 to 2 coats with a fine bristle brush. I usually just have to do 1 coat. That's usually plenty. So I just wanted to, and this is a custom order. You guys saw me the other day working on this. And of course I worked on its side, and then I did a little bit here and there, and this is kind of the technique that I'm going to be working on in my class this Saturday. I still have a few spots left. If you want to join me for class at Reclaim Warehouse, you guys go to the turquoiseiris.com and grab your spot, because I got some spots left. What's the deal? So I painted, this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I have a very similar dresser just like this that I'm going to be working on and giving away. So one of you coming to class on the 24th, which is this Saturday, will take this piece home. Not this piece. This is a custom, but it'll look almost just like this one. Okay? Okay. Oh, thank you for the hearts and the shares and the love. Thank you. I appreciate it. So this is a custom. This one's going to be shipped to California, I believe. But I wanted to put the top coat on it and show you guys how it really pulls the color, and I want this to look like an actual art piece, like an actual bright sunset on a canvas. Thank you, Annette, for sharing. I appreciate you. Oh, I understand, Annie, and that may be why I still have a few spots left, is because it is spring break. So I completely understand, but I just want you to know, if you're interested, come on and see me. Jasmine's coming. Michelle's coming. So there's still a few tickets left, and I would love for you guys to come and see me. It's this Saturday from 2 to 5 at Reclaim Warehouse. Go to the turquoiseiris.com and grab your spot. Also, I had to do a little shout out for Miss Kim Sprato. Miss Kim Sprato. She is just south of Urban. She sent me this precious package today without me even knowing. And I have to share with you these earrings that she made. This is melted glass on copper. Of course, they're turquoise and they're flowers. Oh, Annette, I'm sorry. I hope your husband's doing okay. And then this, Rhonda, it's a semi-gloss finish. Okay, this lovely bracelet. Kim surprised me, and look at this one, you guys. So it's just south of urban.com. Go follow her. Go follow her. She sent me these gifts. Jennifer and Anissa, come on. Y'all want to come see me. I know you do. I know you do. Okay, let's get going. I also wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be live tomorrow, but I'm waiting on Kawita to answer me. If you see Q on here, let me know, because she needs to tell me what time we're going to go live tomorrow. It'll be in the evening, I think. Hi, Rebecca, honey. Right, Shannon? I know, they're so pretty. So let's just put this top coat on. It looks kind of like a You don't have to have much, but it is a semi-gloss finish and it dries really quickly, which makes me happy. I'm gonna start over on this side actually. I also have available spots for my online class too. Thank you, Teresa. Teresa, I think I messaged you today. Teresa, did you join my Creative Connection? I know this is totally random. I know, but Teresa, if I did, I've messaged you a couple of times. Oh, also, I have 2 spots left in my Creative Connection. Two spots. If anybody's interested, there's 2 spots before I close it again. All right, let's just get started. It's just a clear. You move pretty quickly. You don't have to hold a whole lot. It does, like I said, it dries pretty quickly, and I just brush it on here. When I'm done applying, I'm going to pull the drawers out so there's nothing that sticks. I've also applied this big top to some of my paintings when I've used the chalk paint or the DIY paint. I've actually used this as my top coat for my canvas art. I love the finish that it gives. This is a custom order. She custom requested a sunset, and it's shipping to California in the next couple of weeks. So I wanted to get this done for her. So I do it pretty quickly, you guys. You can put 1 to 2 coats. I usually just do 1 around the sides, and on the top I might put 2 if it's going to be a heavily used piece. Like this is a dresser, so I figure it might get a lot of wear and tear on the top, you know, a lot of, you know, the purse set down or things like that. And so I want to make sure that I go ahead and put 2 coats of this big top on. Or if it's like a vanity and it's someone, you know, someone sitting here putting their makeup on or something, or a desk, I want to go ahead and put 2 coats. This is just your basic kind of a semi-gloss finish. Whereas if I wanted something more of a matte, I would use a wax. These are tricky because this is the serpentine dresser. It's wavy. This was the one I started working on the other day when I was live, and this piece was on its side. This is the technique that I'm teaching on Saturday at my class at Reclaimed Warehouse. I'm telling you, if you want to come see, grab a ticket at theturquoiseiris.com. I'm sorry, I forgot to look. Paint Pixie. Yes, this is the old one before Josie. I opened up a new one. This is an old one before Josie started manufacturing her own, and she changed the color to green. But these are the old ones. But it's the same brush. Thank you, Tony. I'm so excited. I wonder if my buyer is watching the live tonight. If she is, I hope she loves this. This will be her first chance to see it. So you can see where I put it on, you guys. The top in the middle, and then now I need to do the bottom part. Yeah, it really pulls the color. Now it's going to dry and it won't be quite as shiny. Of course, there's 2 lights shining on the piece as well, so it's showing off its curves. And one of my hairs have somehow got from my head and stuck to the dresser. Who else has long hair? Sticks to everything, doesn't it? My husband always teases me because, I mean, I don't know about you, but I do all of our laundry together. I don't separate our laundry, but he'll have his coat on and like my big, long, dark hair gets embedded in it. It's pretty funny. I think it's funny. He doesn't. sorry guys, I'm moving really quickly. This is the top coat to a custom piece that I've been working on. I started it on my live the other day, and it was on the side. I put some gold in here. I don't know. I'll bring it in closer. This is the golden ticket that I watered down and sprayed on. And down here over the bohemian blue, it's just gorgeous. It's so pretty. So guys, I'm going to go live with Kawita tomorrow. I just don't have a time yet. If she pops on here, let me know. Q, let me know, Q, what time you want to go live tomorrow. So we had a good trip in Biloxi. We drove 12 hours there and 12 hours back, all for baseball. But Biloxi was a little bit colder than we wanted it to be. It's a little bit on the chilly side when we went to the beach. But I was glad to know the sand was white and powdery and really thick. My son, let's see, he plays for Westmore High School, and we won 3 of our 4 games. 2 of them were rained out. We were able to make up 1 of them. Yes, it's sitting right here. I'm not sitting on it, but the stool is right here and it's put together. Look, my fabulous sister-in-law and brother-in-law bought me this. Oh, look, Craftsman. Boom. It's put together, but I needed to be down a little bit even lower, and so sitting on the floor I thought was totally appropriate. Okay, so I've put 1 coat of the clear, and it'll dry a little bit brighter. It's really shiny right now, of course. So up here, where I started with, guys, it's already dry. It's already dry. Now over there is still wet, but this drawer right here is already dry. You want to come closer? Beautiful here in Galveston. Come on down, Sheila. I would love to. I would love to. I'd love me some Galveston. I haven't finished the sides yet, Beth Ann. I'm going to do that tomorrow on my live. I save little sections so I have material to do with my live. I know it's kind of cheesy, but that's what I do. So I wanted to bring you a little bit closer. So you see how you can see the little hints of gold shimmer? I love that fuchsia. So this was a custom order, and it's going to California. Let me show you the hardware. I'm going to leave it all original because it's too pretty not to. Let's see. It's very, very pretty. Oh! See it? Isn't it so pretty? Yeah. Someone said a sponge. Thank you, Kim. So I'm using this brush. It's the same as the Paint Pixie brushes. It's just a really old one before Josie took over and created her own Paint Pixie, and so she changed the color to green, and this was a really old one that I had just been saving. I've been using just my Paint Pixies, but since I'm doing this, okay, so there's that. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I haven't used this in a while. I've been using the waxes, and I love the DIY top coat. It's called Big Top After Show, guys. It's going to be a water-based sealer, and I will not have to do anything else to the front of this. I'm done. So I'll have to still put it on the top and finish the sides, but I'm actually going to paint the sides probably tomorrow in my live, unless I get it done tomorrow. But either way, this was a custom order, and so it's not gonna be available. But I just want to remind you, I'm doing this technique in class on Saturday. So there's still a few spots left if you want to go to the turquoiseiris.com. I know, Gail, I hear you, girl, but the wax is so good. And then look what happened to me. I swear somebody else did it. There's no way I did that today, right? No way. I so did it. I'm like, am I going to have to cut that out? because this is from my art. Like, this is from my new painting I did. I finished up today. I actually put my hair in it. Hey, Mama. So I'm just finishing up here, and like I said, if you're interested in come seeing me on Saturday, go to theturquoiseiris.com, grab your spot. We also have an online class for April 15th. All of that's available. And I'll be back here tomorrow, but Q never got on here to tell me what time, so I don't have a time for you yet, but I'll try to get it posted. I guess it'll be in the evening. So I just want to talk to her about her new location in McKinney, Texas. People pay big money for painted hair, right? Right? Put conditioner on it and it'll come out. Is this the technique you'll be teaching? Yes, Tish. This is the technique that I'm going to be teaching at my class this Saturday in person. And then I'm going to do, thank you, Kara, honey, appreciate you. And then I'm going to do this in my online class on April 15th. Okay, it's going to be basically the same. It'll have more white in it. It's going to be more of my Monet as opposed to this is more of my Sunset, but it's the same style. It's the same technique. You just use different colors. But yes, so join me tomorrow with Q. I'm going to interview her tomorrow and have her pop on here with me tomorrow. But like I said, I don't know what time yet because I got to wait for her to tell me. If you guys need anything, you need a ticket, holla, theturquoiseiris.com, and I'll talk to you guys later. Be awesome.